In this video, I'll show you how to connect a domain to Shopify. First, open your web browser and sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click Settings, then select Domains. Next, click Connect Existing Domain if you already own a domain from another provider. Enter your domain name and click Next to continue. Now, log into your domain registrar and open the DNS management page. Update your DNS records using the values provided by Shopify. Typically, you'll need to point your record to Shopify's IP address and your name record for www to Shopify's designated address. After that, return to Shopify and click Verify Connection if the option is available. DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so your domain may not connect immediately. Next, once Shopify verifies the connection, choose your custom domain as the primary domain if you want visitors to use it as your store's main address. Finally, save your changes and open your domain in a web browser to confirm that your Shopify store loads correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a domain to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.